to my channel. In today's video, we are talking all things Cuban twists, Marley twists, kinky twists, whatever you want to call them. So for these twists, I did use the equal Cuban twist hair. This is in the color 350, 16 inches. So this hair does come pre-separated, so I'm gonna take it out so that you can see what it looks like. I used one strand for each one of my twists. So this is what the hair looks like out of the package. So it does come pre-separated, so you just pull off the twist, and it's pretty easy to separate. So for this size, you'll use one piece. You can use more depending on how thick you want your twist. So let me give you a quick 360 before we get into this tutorial. So they are a nice length. Did not count my twists, but let's do that really quick. Okay, so I have 33 twists in my hair. I did use almost 2 packs, so you can do this style with just 2 packs of hair. Absolutely love the twist, the color. This hair was pretty easy to twist with. Didn't have any issues with tangling or anything, and I really didn't add any product to the hair or to the ends. On my hair to moisturize it, I did use Good Hair by Uncle Funky's Daughter. I do have a discount code for Uncle Funky's Daughter, which I'll leave on the screen as well as in the description box, but you'll see me use that later on in the video. But I did use that to moisturize my hair before I started twisting, but I didn't add any extra product as I was twisting. Once I got to the end, I just finger coiled the end around my hair. I did add perm rods and dip them in hot water, and that was all I did. This was a pretty simple, easy style to do. It took me about maybe 2 hours for parting and twisting. Super quick, super easy. Let's get right into this tutorial. about these twists in the comment section below, and let me know what you call these twists. So I did use the Cuban twist hair, so I'm assuming these are Cuban twists. I normally just call them Marley twists, but let me know what you call them in the comment section below. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you're liking this style and the color. Would you rock this color? Is it too much for you? I absolutely love it. Definitely a cute fall, winter vibes is what it's giving me. It's giving redheads have more fun. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.